Every day, millions of people spend $10 without thinking twice. A coffee, a quick meal, or a few small purchases, and by tomorrow the money is forgotten. But what if that same $10 could quietly grow into something far bigger? Here's the surprising part. The biggest difference isn't the amount you invest. It's the decision to start. By the end of this video, you'll see how one small daily habit can completely change your financial future. $10 doesn't feel like much. Most people see it as pocket change, something too small to make a real difference. That's exactly why it disappears so easily. But every time you spend that money on something you don't really need, you're giving up something much bigger than today's purchase. You're giving up tomorrow's opportunity. The interesting part is that building wealth isn't always about earning more money. Sometimes it's about making one small choice over and over again, and that's where the real story begins. Here's where things get interesting. Imagine you invest just $10 every day instead of spending it. At first, nothing seems to change. After a week, your investment still looks small. Even after a few months, it may not feel exciting. But your money has started doing something powerful. It begins earning returns, and those returns can earn returns too. This is called compound growth, and it's one of the biggest reasons people build wealth over time. The longer your money stays invested, the harder it works. What looks like a tiny habit today can slowly turn into something much bigger than most people ever expect. Now let's look at what that actually means. Investing $10 a day adds up to about $300 a month, or around like $3,650 a year. Oh, that may not sound life-changing at first. But if that money earns an average annual return over many years, the results become surprising. After 10 years, you've invested about $36,500, yet your account could be worth much more because of growth. Keep going for 20 or 30 years and the gap becomes even bigger. The numbers tell a different story. Your biggest advantage isn't finding the perfect investment. It's giving your money enough time to grow. If the idea is so simple, why don't more people do it? The biggest reason isn't a lack of money. It's a habit of waiting. Many people tell themselves, I'll start when I get a better job, or I'll invest when I have more to spare. But those months often turn into years. Meanwhile, time keeps moving. Every year you delay is one less year for your money to grow. The truth is, starting small today is usually far more valuable than waiting to invest a larger amount someday. Imagine two friends who both want to build wealth. The first person starts investing just $10 a day today. The second decides to wait 5 years thinking they'll invest more later. When they finally begin, they do have more money to invest, but they can't buy back the 5 years they lost. The first person's money has already been growing the entire time. That's the hidden advantage most people miss. In investing, consistency often beats perfect timing. The person who starts early usually finishes far ahead, not because they invested more, but because they gave their money more time to work. So what does your life look like if you invest just $10 a day? It doesn't change overnight, but day by day, that small decision can grow into something meaningful. The real secret isn't earning millions in a single moment. It's making one smart choice again and again, until time does the hard work for you. Your future wealth may not depend on how much you earn today. It may depend on whether you choose to start today.